Break ID number 6582. 2016-17 limited basketball. $1 break. Go. PC team bonus for Tom BB, who is new with us. That money is in your account right now, Tom. Fournier, Conley, Gasol, Evans, Harris to 15. Karl Anthony Towns, insert. And Diamond Stone. Jersey auto to 99. Clippers. Fernando, VI. Russell Westbrook to 99. Thunder. Russell, GR. Marcus Aldridge, DeRozan, Miles Turner, Zach LaVine, Gasol, again, this one to 25, LeBron James, hey, that's not bad. 4-color RPA to 25, Brandon Ingram. Milwaukee, Fernando, VI. Sorry, I don't know how long that was off for. I'm not sure what you did or didn't hear. That was shut off for a minute. That Brandon Ingram was to Walter FR. Anthony Davis. Or Tot. I think Antetokounmpo. I think there might, I'm afraid to say, but there might be a 1-on-1 in there. Moutier. Darren Williams to 99. Steve Nash, Tony Parker to 15. That's just a short print insert. Not super valuable, but does go to the lowest of those two. Suns and Spurs. And that is Phoenix Casey DA. Maybe I was wrong about the 1-on-1. PJ Tucker, jersey auto to 49. Phoenix Casey DA. Yep, I was. Sorry about that. But we have a bonus auto. Rookie Phenom to 99, Wade Baldwin. Memphis. Walter Fr. Cantor. Fournier. Tristan Thompson. Joel Embiid. Batum to 25. Kobe Bryant, Allen Iverson. Lakers and Sixers. That goes to the Sixers. Quindale, PA. Louis. Kentucky Colonels, jersey auto to 49. That might be a random all. Yeah, that's Colonels. So, random all the way to the bottom, Walter Fr. And last card, jumbo jersey, Zubac to 99. Lakers, Walter Fr. All right, stuff is fun. We'll have more of that tomorrow. Same 4 box.